ready to talk a little bit. Do you ever get tired of fucking talking? You just have interview after interview after interview after
No, I mean, I enjoy as long as I like the people, then it's fine.
That helps. That does help.
You know, yeah, for sure. That does.
Hillbilly Live.
I'm tired of talking.
I know. It's been a long day. It's been a long day.
It's a lot.
And we don't even talk as much as some of these artists talk. I mean, they do a lot of stupid interviews talking to people like us a lot of times, you know? So I don't know how they do it because I get tired of just talking to you.
I'm already tired of talking to you today. I feel like we've been talking all day. You know what we forgot to do?
Oh, dang, we didn't do any of that.
I hear it. You hear that?
Okay, good. I do. I do.
I feel like there's a little schmutz on your. It's a little.
I'm
schmear.
leaving it.
I think it's.
I'm leaving it.
There's a little.
Look, that would require me to get up, turn the camera around.
No, we need to get you a lens wipe.
Hold on, I think I have a lens wipe down here somewhere. Oh, I do have a lens wipe.
See?
Amber, I do.
See, this is the beauty of a live show. You can just see us unravel in real time.
Hold on. Let me.
Come on. Oh, it's a wet one. Yeah. All right. There you go. Hey.
How's that look now? How's that?
That's a
lot
Is that
better.
Yeah, that's better.
There we go. Guess why I'm at it. Should clean this.
Okay. I mean, we are live on the internet, so. Hey, y'all. I'm Amber Parker.
I'm Brian Taylor.
And this is Hillbilly Live. Welcome to our 15-minute morning show.
Whether you're a property owner or a facility manager, make sure your building is safe and running on time with Life Safety Consultants. They specialize in replacement fire alarms and system clocks for office buildings, schools, hospitals, universities, and government facilities. Life Safety Consultants stocks a wide array of products at affordable prices. Keep your building protected with the Internet's leader in commercial fire alarms and replacement parts. Visit lifesafetycom.com. That's lifesafetycom.com.
Yes, thank you, Life Safety Consultants. We love you.
So I'm really proud of you because you never try new things, especially on the internet. But I was very proud when you sent me this.
Yeah. Ventriloquist.
You're not good.
Ventriloquist.
Oh my God.
Ventriloquist.
How long?
There we go. First try.
We didn't say it any differently.
I know. What is that word? I had a public education and I'm from the South.
All right. Say that word.
No, I don't even know what that word is, Amber.
Say it.
What is it?
Try to say it.
Twatology? Is it? Yeah.
Did you say twatology?
I don't know what that word is. I don't even know. I've never heard it ever.
Twatology.
What is it? What?
I don't know what it is, but I know it's not twatology. I was going to say tautology. Tautology.
How do you get toe out of that?
How do you get twat?
All I know is I think this game is a very hateful game. It's very, it's discriminating against people. And I also feel like there might be a hate crime involved too. I really do. They didn't think about people, with Southern accents or people with like a public school education.
Twatology.
And I'm going to contact an attorney. I am. I'm going to find out. I'm going to get to the bottom of this because I feel I've been hated upon now publicly on the internet.
Could you define that? Twatology?
I feel it has to do with that. It's a medical term, I'm sure.
Basically said, dude.
Do you know what dude means?
No. What's it mean?
I heard one time it's like a tick on an elephant's behind.
Where Where did you hear that?
I heard that at a bar one night.
A dude is a tick on an elephant's ass.
That's what I heard. Look, you learn a lot of things by going to the bar and talking to people.
I don't know I don't know about that.
You get your best education by talking to drunk people at the bar. Your best education.
Is that where it is? Because I went to the grocery store.
At least you know how to say twatology.
Thank you for congratulating me on that.
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's what I'm here for.
So my grandpa had a John Deere hat that I have been looking for the past 5 years, but I couldn't find it at his house. I don't know if it just got dirty and he threw it away or if we just haven't located it yet. I don't know. But it's like yellow mesh and it's got a green front with a yellow John Deere logo on it. And I haven't been able to find one. I couldn't find one on the internet. I couldn't find one anywhere. And Bridget found one at the thrift store yesterday. I've been looking for this hat for 5 years.
And you know, that hat looks like it's been set on a few times.
Exactly.
I mean, are you sure you want to put on a hat like that? I mean, because that's probably been under some stranger's ass.
That's exactly how my grandpa would want it, to come from under some stranger's ass.
That's
and
fair.
You know that's the truth. You know that's the truth. Lacey said Smith would like to know who the guy in the hat is by his Annie.
Haven't we gone over this?
Apparently not with Smith. I think that was Watson.
Look, Lacey, you can go ahead and explain that. And we can get on a Zoom call or something later and we can really, introduce ourselves, like an AA meeting.
Smith, this is Brian. He's grouchy and old. That pretty much sums it up. I don't think we have to have a Zoom call now, right?
Thank you for saving some time for me today.
Hillbilly Live.
I know you've been busy. I don't want you to have to cram anything else in.
Thanks. I mean, I'm just glad you care.
I do. I care about you and twatology. Morgan Wallen's hearing rescheduled in the chair throwing case. Are we saying alleged? Don't we know he did that?
Look, until everything gets washed out, it's still alleged.
Is it?
Alleged.
Isn't there video of it?
Look, we're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about the proof that's out there. We're not lawyers. We don't need to we don't need to make this any worse than it already is. But anyway, so he's not going to be in court on Thursday because the grand jury is now going to listen to the case being brought against him instead. And I guess there's a hearing scheduled for today to move everything forward. There was a lot to digest here. We got all the information at hillbillylive.com. I'm praying for Morgan. I'm praying he stays out of jail because I don't know if he can make it through jail.
Don't they keep like famous people separate? They'll probably get the Martha Stewart suite.
Yeah, but see, I feel the people running Nashville, they've already made it clear. I don't think they like Morgan. So I don't think they would care to put him in a fancy jail cell by himself. I think they would throw him to the wolves and general population and go, let's see what happens.
No, because then they can be sued if something happens.
I mean,
they don't want something to happen to Morgan Wallen. That
again,
would be
I don't think those city officials care.
They care about lawsuits. Everybody cares about lawsuits.
Not the government.
Yes, they do. Parker McCollum has replied to Oliver Anthony.
Hey guys, per the Oliver Anthony interview or whatever it was, claiming that he saw drum loop modulars or whatever he called it, I don't even know what that is. 100% fabricated lie. Never, ever, ever one time have I used auto-tune or a drum loop or anything fake of any kind on stage. Me and my guys are ripping it the real deal. every
Ripping
single
it.
night. It has never been one single part of our show, not one note that was not live, raw, and in the moment. A 100% fabricated story that is 100% a lie, and that will never change. We will always be out there really swinging it as a real band, trying to do our best to respect country music. So that's all I got to say on it, and that's where it needs to end.
There you go. He
And
says
can we
it's a lie.
And can we just talk about how Parker McCollum was dressed like a cowboy boss on a horse while he was replying to that bullshit?
I thought he was dressed like a cowboy golfer.
Either way, I respect that. And, we were on tour with Parker McCollum for at least one date this summer.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I heard some real stuff. I mean, Parker gets up on that microphone and that stage. I mean, he just belts it out. And that's real shit.
I know. I didn't hear any. I didn't see anything.
And
we were pretty close.
I'm just trying to figure out what Oliver was talking about.
I don't know. Maybe he got confused by all the bras flying.
And I could see that. But I mean, those pedals on a stage, I mean, that's for the guitars. Has nothing. I don't know. Never mind. Yeah.
You're not a musician.
Neither is Oliver Anthony, apparently.
Keith Urban announced his first tour in 3 years, the Keith Urban High and Alive tour.
I love it. I didn't realize it's been 3 years.
It's been a long time.
Oh, yeah. Let me see who he's taking out with him, too, because he's actually taking some good people out with him.
Lana Springsteen, Carly
Chase
Scott
Matthew.
Collins,
Yeah,
Chase
there you go.
Matthew. Oh, look, Brian. We got some spam comments coming in while we're live.
What do we get?
The Mark Thomas says to Lacey, this is Morgan Wallen, verified Telegram. I just spoke with him now. Hit the link to have a private time with him now. Morgan Wallen, verified Telegram. Do not click on that link. Do not click on that link.
Why? And how do people fall for that shit?
Well, you tell me.
I have been scammed over the phone before. I have. It's easy. Don't click on links like that. Morgan Wallen's not talking to people through Telegram neither. Let's just put that out there.
Or Mark Thomas. Ella Langley is the first woman all year to top the Billboard Country Airplay chart.
And this is wild. So Ella actually ended a 51 week streak for females topping the chart. The last woman to have the top spot was Lainey Wilson, and that was actually back in December, and it was a duet, the one she did with Jelly Roll. That song Save Me. So I don't know what's going on in the country music, radio world, but I mean, there's a lot of good songs out there from women. Why the hell are they not playing them?
Well, I can tell you from experience, when a record rep calls to get you to add a woman and you're a woman, the best reason they can come up with for you to add a woman is that you are a woman.
I mean, that's
so they're not very good at selling women.
That's a good sales pitch.
They're not very good at, yeah.
Hillbilly Live.
Only 3% of Americans think they're a bad driver.
I mean, that's real, because I'm not a bad driver. I'm one of the best drivers out there on the road. I've been driving for a long time. I mean, I'm a classic. I'm a classic when it comes to driving. I started driving back in the late 1900s. I'm good. I'm flawless.
I mean, you drive in the left lane and you never get over.
Why should I?
Because you're supposed to when you're done passing.
I mean,
so.
but it's a lane that's more clear. I don't.
because you're clogging it up for the people behind you.
Look, if I'm going 15 miles over the speed limit, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Hillbilly Live.
I can't wait until your kid starts talking because I know that this is going to be your kid. She's stuck in the snow, not happy about it, cussing.
I mean, but no one's happy when they're stuck in the snow. And that's how you fix anything. If you're having a bad day, just start cussing. And usually your bad shit will go away. At least in my life it does. So I enjoy it. And I'm gonna pass that advice on to my daughter. Just cuss. It fixes a lot of things.
Full of knowledge. This reminds me of my dog. Can't do anything right.
Here comes the show. It's about to get western around here tonight.
It's not supposed to be upright. It's supposed to be like this with its head out the side hole.
Yeah. You know, cows though, I mean, they have a mind of their own. And
they're large.
They just do what they do, you know,
They're
and
very large.
they're also, you know, part of that kind of animal. They do things to possibly injure themselves on a regular basis, making everything hard for everybody involved. It's why I enjoy eating them, not really working with them.
That's one way to put it. All right, y'all. That's it. That's for team.
Words are hard. It's been a long day. I know.
I'm ready to go. All right, y'all. That's it. That's our 15-minute morning show. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for being here. Be sure to share this video with your friends. Tell them that we're funny and how much fun we have. You can read all these stories, watch all these videos at hillbillylive.com. While you're there, do some shopping.
Yes.
Shop. T-shirts, coffee cups, all kinds of good stuff.
And really stuff for yourself. Don't worry about buying anything for anybody else. Just buy for yourself.
You at this point. Shop for yourself. We'll see you later. I need a drink.